Okay, can you count? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's next? 7. Okay. Say, Grandpa is the best. Say, Papa is the best.
Papa is the best.
That's right. Is Papa the best, Liam?
Yeah.
Say, Papa's the best. Say, I love Papa. I love Papa. Well, I love you too. Yeah. Is Daddy making potatoes for breakfast?
No.
Yes, he is.
No.
Yes.
Stop it.
Stop what?
Stop it.
Don't you throw that. Don't you throw that. Right, Liam? Don't throw. Hey, Liam, do you have PU stinky feet?
No.
You do too. How about you, Patrick? PU stinky feet. Do you have stinky feet? PU stinky feet. How about you, Liam? Liam, do you got PU stinky feet?
Yeah.
Let me see. Smell them. Say, PU stinky feet. Ooh. Ooh. PU stinky feet. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think I was ever quite that flexible. You gonna get down? PU stinky feet. Okay, you gonna get down? No, don't hold on up there. Here, bring your feet back here. Come on. Yes. There you go, come on. Come on, I'll help you. I'll help you. Jump. There. Yeah, Daddy's cooking. I almost fell over there, buddy. Yeah, you were up there. What'd you say? Peekaboo? Did you say, can you play peekaboo? Say, peekaboo. Okay, I'll see you guys later.